Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate course reviews with RateMyProfessors, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin automating course reviews with RateMyProfessors, first, visit the RateMyProfessors website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the interface. Use the search bar to find your institution. Select the appropriate college or university from the drop-down menu. Next, browse through the list of professors or courses available. Identify the specific course you want to set up for automation. For automation, consider using a web scraping tool or script. Ensure you have the appropriate software installed, such as Python or a web scraping extension. Write a script that targets the RateMyProfessors site, focusing on the desired course reviews. In your script, include functions to periodically check for new reviews. Set parameters for how often you want to check for updates. Test your script to ensure it correctly retrieves and processes data from the website. Once verified, set the script to run automatically at the intervals you specified. Consider implementing a notification system. This will alert you when new reviews are available. If coding isn't your strength, explore third-party services that offer similar automation. These services may provide user-friendly interfaces to accomplish the same task. Review the terms of service for RateMyProfessors to ensure compliance. By following these steps, you can efficiently automate the process of collecting course reviews. Make sure to monitor the automation regularly for any potential issues. Enjoy streamlined access to valuable course feedback from RateMyProfessors. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.